Sammy. Hey, Sammy, say hi. Sammy. There's Sammy. Sammy. Sammy, do something. What are you doing, Sammy? Get close up. Oh. The Sammy is doing usual Sammy stuff. look at her. She's like, Sammy. Hey, Sammy. Sammy, what do you? Oh yeah, she usually does that. There's Sammy. She's acting like an upside down fish on a deck. Sammy, look over here. Oh, she refuses. What does this puppy see? I wonder what's going on in that little brain of Sammy's. Probably, I do not know. Hey, Sammy. Sammy. Okay, you're not doing anything interesting anymore? Okay. Okay, now where is the next dog? Okay. Wait a minute. Over there is Ginger. You see Ginger over there?
Yeah, I mean, because that's got to be one of the best upper body workout. Trying to handstand or
look, over there is Ginger. And then, wait, over there is Zazzles. And where is Pippa? Pippa should be here. I'm gonna check inside. No. No. There you are, Pippa. Looks like Sammy's doing interesting things after all.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be the next YouTube sensation.
Really, got mentioned on some
Fighting.
YouTube sensations.
Playing.
Really, did she have like a
The
comment?
end.